What's going on, everybody? Today is July 20th, the day after FD St. Louis. I highly recommend, if no one's ever went to a FD drift event, to go. It's a really good experience. But anyway, while I was there, I picked up a new part that I've been wanting to do after, which this video will be after, if the S13 column worked out. But we got the column in, but I picked up some parts. I'll turn you guys around and show you. We got, these are non-stop tuning right there. I didn't go with NRG because I just wanted something that I could pick up instead of wait online, but I got a short hub and then a neon chrome. I wanted blue, but they didn't have any blues there at the show or at the event. So I got a quick release, then I got a steering wheel. So that's what this video is going to be. We are going to be installing a new wheel and quick release. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Before you guys do anything about taking off the airbag, make sure to take the power off, or disconnect your negative or your positive, don't matter. Just to make sure that that bag, there we go. Now that we got that off, there's 2 bolts to take off your airbag. Two bolts, takes this off. Be very careful with it. And then there's a little clip right here. And your airbag is off. Don't need that no more. Then we got the big, I think, I want to say it's a 7/8. Let's see. Yep. Blast that off. Take that plug off. Got our wheel off. I think we gotta take the clock spring off. 1, 2, 3. Four. Clock spring off. Once we got the clock spring off, this is going to be trial and error for me, but it almost looks like these 3 holes. It almost looks like these 3 holes went up to those 3 holes. This is for an S13. This is an S13 column, so in theory, we'll be back. Alright, by the time you guys have seen this video get posted, the S13 steering column video will be posted. So I'm going to be completely transparent with you guys. To make this hub, which you can easily make it work, but you know, your turn signals won't automatically come back out. But I don't know if I want to. I'm gonna try it without drilling these out, but I could wallow these two out, but they don't quite align. These two holes are wider, and this whole thing is different because this is actually the front tier, as you guys seen in the previous video. This is the front tier, you know, switches. So wallowed out a little bit there on the blue, and there for these little pins to go in. I don't even know what these pins are for, to be honest, unless they are supposed to go. I don't think they're supposed to go into that. I don't see how they can go into that. Like, that has to be taken off. But yeah. So let's just get this line and get it on. And we'll see if I have to do anything else. If I do, you guys will know. I'll be completely transparent with you guys. Line this top hole as straight as I can. Get that lined up with those notches. I'm hoping it'll sink in just a little bit more. Let's grab our quick release. Alright, we got our quick release. Pull it. You guys will know yeah, I like it like that. But zoom you guys in. Right here. This is the part that will go on your actual hub, because you can see how the divots, it's flat here, and then it's divoted for your bolts. Now, I don't know 100% if you're supposed to use Loctite or not. Really don't know. But I'm not going to. I'm going to be able to take this off at some point, like if I absolutely have to. Okay, we got that on. It came with a lot of extra hardware. See, I've got another 6 of the smaller ones. Grab a quick release. Pop that on. Grab our wheel. Line that bad boy up. With the countersunk little bolts. There we go. The truck has quick release now. There she is. Got a full. See if I can do this one-handed. Nope. Oh, I did it. I didn't catch it though on camera. But yeah. This is what I don't know. Don't know. That's gonna work or not. But yeah, we got her. Now we just gotta clean it up. Need to make the there we go. I love that. Not bad, not bad. They actually don't stick out too far like I thought. But, yeah, very simple install. Now, I'm going to grind a little bit of this. So that'll sit on. Try to get this to fit real quick. I had to do some fabrication to this plastic piece. Had to, it looks bad. I didn't pay attention to this side. I wish I could have done that better, but got it to where it'll go back and forth. This ain't permanent. I honestly need to cut the tab off the back of the wiper, this part here, and move it forward probably 1/2 inch, and then all my holes will line up for that cover. But I think that's where I'm gonna leave this video. Quick, easy, nothing to it. Just put in a quick release and got our cover back on. Not 100%, but cover's on and it looks all right. There's our ignition. I mean, it don't look bad, just some holes aren't lining up because this is too far back. It needs to come forward just a little bit. And then there's 2 dowels here that line up, and then the 2 bottom holes will line up. They bolt onto that piece, but I'll do that another time, maybe this winter. But don't worry about that. I gotta clean all this stuff up, but yeah. Appreciate you guys watching. I hope you guys like it. I'm super pumped that I got a quick release now. Now I just need to get a hydro and a dual caliber and quite a bit more stuff. I gotta mount the gas tank, and there's a drift event. Today's July 30th. There's a drift event on August 3rd that I want to try to make it to. But quite a bit more to go. We'll see how it goes. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.